also following a developing story out of Franklin County, and that's where 2 Lavonia police officers were shot after a traffic stop last night. Now, all this started when the officer stopped a car right outside a Zaxby's restaurant off I-85. Officers quickly discovered that the car was stolen out of South Carolina. Now, the suspected shooter, Khari Gordon, ran away but was arrested a few hours later. He made his first court appearance earlier today, and Fox 5's Deidre Dukes was there as he faced a judge. Deidre?
And we have learned that Gordon was apparently free on bond on attempted murder charges out of South Carolina when police say he shot 2 Lavonia police officers. And Gordon in court today seemed surprised when he learned he would not be granted bond in this case. Calling Khari Anthony Dashaun Gordon a flight risk and a danger to the community, Franklin Magistrate Court Judge Cody Grizzle ordered Gordon, who lives in Greenville, South Carolina, be held without bond. The judge recited some of Gordon's long criminal history in court.
You're currently on probation, parole, or bond for some of the following offenses: 2 accounts of attempted murder, possession of a weapon during a violent crime, 4 counts of burglary, 2 counts of grand larceny with a value of $10,000 or more, 2 counts of breaking into auto tanks where fuel was stored, 2 counts of use of vehicle without permission with intent to deprive.
Police say Gordon was on probation for attempted murder when he shot Lavonia Police Captain Michael Schulman and Officer Jeffrey Martin during a traffic stop on Jones Street off of I-85 Monday night.
During this traffic stop, they learned the vehicle was stolen out of Greenville, South Carolina. When they attempted to place the suspect that was driving the vehicle under arrest, he reached into his pocket, pulled out a firearm, and shot both of my officers.
Officer Martin was shot in the hand. Captain Schulman was struck in the shoulder under his bulletproof vest, shattering his ribs and puncturing his lungs. Chief Bruce Carlisle outraged to learn the suspect was out on bond for attempted murder when his officers were shot.
It's unacceptable that he was on the streets, and I can assure him that he will have a different outcome in the state of Georgia than he did in South Carolina.
Gordon took off on foot after the shooting. Officers apprehended him a few hours later. Officer Martin's mother-in-law and administrative assistant at Lavonia PD thankful both officers escaped with their lives, knowing the outcome could have been much different.
Yes, I am. But I knew he was in good hands. We have the finest police department here in Lavonia, and I'm just so thankful he's doing well.
And Captain Schulman remains hospitalized tonight. As for the suspect, he faces several charges, including criminal attempt to commit murder and aggravated assault on a police officer. And that's the latest here in Livonia. I'm Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Deidre, thanks. Just yesterday,